it. Video.
Video. Oh, even better. Are you gonna keep this one? You gonna keep it?
If it's not too stinky.
That tickles. That's the whole idea.
That tickles.
Ready?
Yeah.
Big moment.
Pop it off. Ready?
Pop.
Ow.
Oh, it didn't pop. All right, one more.
It did pop.
Yeah, usually makes a little popping sound like that. All right.
Cool.
Now.
He just has to cut the padding. Watch.
Yep.
Why?
Well, because that's the only way to get it off.
And zoop.
Viola. Easy now. There you go. Woohoo!
Okay.
So,
is it stinky?
yeah, it's a little bit stinky, but that's okay. You want to smell it?
No.
Smell it.
No, no,
Smell it,
no,
smell it.
no, no.
Come on, smell
No,
it.
it's
You gotta
stinky.
smell it.
No.
It's your cast.
No.
Oh, come on. Okay, at least take it home and show it to Mom.
Okay.
All right.